In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the status column in Monday.com. The status column is one of the most powerful ways to see where all your tasks and projects stand at a glance. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to your board, customize your status options, and then actually use them to track progress. First, open Monday.com and go to the project board where you want to work with statuses. This is usually the main board where your tasks or items are listed in rows. Make sure you're on the correct board so the changes you make apply to the right project. Once you're on the board, look for the status column. It usually has colored labels like Not Started, Working on It, or Done. Click on the highlighted area of that status column header to open the options for customizing it. From the menu that appears, choose the option to customize the status column. This is where you can change existing labels, add new ones, and adjust colors. Customizing this area lets you match the column to your team's actual workflow instead of using only the default labels. Next, click on the New Label option. This allows you to add a completely new status, for example, something like On Hold or Needs Review. When you create a new label, take a moment to choose a color that makes sense visually. For example, you might use red for blocked tasks, yellow for pending, and green for completed work. Clear colors make it easier for your team to scan the board quickly. You'll see several highlighted areas in this customization panel, such as the label name field, color picker, and possibly reorder handles. Click on each highlighted area as shown, renaming labels, picking colors, and rearranging them into a logical order. A helpful tip is to organize statuses roughly in the order work moves through, from Not Started, to In Progress, to Done. When you're happy with the labels, look for the option to assign a person if the interface suggests it. Click on Person to connect a responsible team member to that item or workflow where it makes sense. This helps you not only know the status, but also who is in charge of moving it forward. After you finish customizing, click Done in the customization dialog to save your changes. You may see another Done button to close out any remaining pop-up or settings window. Click Done again to return to your main board. Now, back on the board, click on a status in a specific item, such as Not Started. From the drop-down, choose the status that best reflects where that task is. For example, change it from Not Started to Working on It once someone begins the task. Repeat this for each item as work progresses. By consistently clicking and updating from Not Started to Working on It, and eventually to your completed label, you'll keep your entire team aligned and your Monday.com board clear, accurate, and easy to understand at a glance.